yeah, important rin to consider before getting married these days is financially capable ba tayo to or also, meron na rin ba tayong emotional maturity to go into a committed relationship and to understand na mag-aambag ka sa household and hindi ka lang mag-tiktok all day.
That's also my take. Feeling ko din, dapat you're mentally stable. Physically okay, of course. Who would wanna marry a person na malapit na mamatay, diba? Siyempre, financially din, dapat financially free. Hindi naman biro mag-alaga, magpaaral ng bata. You're gonna take care of another human being. So, dapat marunong ka ng alagaan yung sarili mo.
Tama naman siya. Kasi what if wala kang family planning? Ano yung mapapakain mo sa magiging anak mo, diba? Saka huhugot ng panggastos ng pang-aral niya, ng everyday needs niya. Kasi responsibility mo yan eh. Kasi in the first place, hindi choice ng anak mo mapunta sa mundong to. Choice mo yon.